Hi, I'm Leaf, and this video will show you how to use the console and configs to save and reset positions in Deadlock. In the hideout and sandbox modes, Deadlock allows the player to teleport to given locations via the console commands. By default, the console is open with F7 once turned on in settings. Commands can then be used to both find our current position and return us to it later. To make this easier, I've written a config file to bind keys to control the behavior. You can get this config from a Google Drive folder linked in the description, so feel free to make use of it. Also, I know I'm the one giving it to you, but please read through it. Don't trust random config files, since they can do pretty wonky things to your game if they wanted to. In the top of the config, there are 3 keybinds. You should change these to whatever you prefer, though they have to be put on keys that aren't used. The config file should be placed in the Deadlock, Game, Citadel, Config folder. Once it is there, it can be run using the exec leaf tools command. The config contains lists of positions around the map. Typing leaf help will display all the current lists. Typing any of these lists will configure the keybinds, which will then allow you to cycle through the positions and teleport to the one selected. The positions used in the zipline lane rotation video are all here, along with some hints for the routes I showed in that video. If you want to view these hints later, but the console buried them under a bunch of garbage, just type hint. Currently, the config has lists for rotation practice, vents, and a collection of useful mantle edge boosting locations. In the future, I hope to expand the list to cover more spots and different kinds of practice. This will probably happen naturally along with new videos. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this as useful as I have myself.